Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will take a look on vintage milk tanker, Ural-ZIS 355M, in 1/43 scale, by Deagostini. Real scale trucks were produced from 1957 up to 1965 on Ural factory, which produced different civilian and military trucks up to this day. Sometimes, Ural 355M is called as a scaled-up GAZ-51 light truck. But it had its own engine and aerial of use. That's why most of these trucks were used on eastern parts of Soviet Union, and were a rare sight in European part. I have a special sympathy to milk trucks, because my other hobby is linked to history of Latvian milk processing. And as Latvia has a rich history of milk processing, through years, different kind of milk trucks were used. During Soviet times, most milk trucks had same paint scheme, where cabin was painted blue, but cistern was painted yellow. But there were exceptions where separate parts or whole truck was in beige or khaki color. In this model you can clearly see imitation of rivets, showing that real trucks had steel-covered, wooden cabins. Some early, after-war Soviet trucks even had a soft top roofs. Overall, this is a very good addition to my milk truck collection. Despite model's cheap look and feel, it clearly represents its real scale prototype, and is good base for further improvements. Also, you can use this model as a donor for other projects, where you need Ural 355 platform with cabin. Or just a milk cistern for other Soviet truck. Hope that you liked this video. Leave in comments what kind of milk truck model you have in your collection.